What if the secret to controlling your blood sugar isn't hidden in a pill bottle, but waiting for you in your kitchen? Imagine being able to take charge of diabetes, not just with medication, but with everyday drinks that could make a dramatic difference in your life. Today, you're about to discover 5 powerful drinks that have been quietly transforming the lives of people living with diabetes naturally. You might think that managing diabetes is all about what you can't have, but what if the real power lies in what you can add? Science is revealing that certain natural drinks can help support blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and even improve insulin sensitivity. Across the world, researchers are uncovering the remarkable effects that simple, accessible beverages can have on the body. These are not rare, exotic concoctions. They're drinks you might already have in your home or can easily make with a quick trip to the grocery store. And they're backed by both tradition and modern research. Let's begin with the first drink on our list: green tea. For centuries, green tea has been celebrated in cultures across Asia for its health-promoting properties. Modern studies have shown that green tea is rich in antioxidants called polyphenols, particularly one known as epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG. This compound has been linked to improved glucose control and enhanced insulin activity. By drinking a cup or two of green tea daily, you may help your body process sugar more efficiently, while also enjoying the soothing ritual of tea time. Not only does green tea contain very few calories, but it can also help you feel refreshed and energized, making it a smart addition to your daily routine. The second powerful drink might surprise you: cinnamon-infused water. Cinnamon isn't just a delicious spice, it's a powerhouse when it comes to blood sugar support. Recent studies have indicated that consuming cinnamon can help lower fasting blood glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity. To make cinnamon water, simply add a cinnamon stick to a glass of water and let it steep overnight. By sipping this subtly flavored drink throughout the day, you could be giving your body a gentle, natural boost in managing blood sugar swings. Next, let's talk about apple cider vinegar. While it's been a staple in kitchens for generations, apple cider vinegar is now getting attention from the medical community for its remarkable effects on blood sugar. Research suggests that having a small amount of apple cider vinegar, especially before meals, can slow down the absorption of carbohydrates and prevent spikes in blood sugar after eating. To incorporate this into your routine, dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a large glass of water and drink it before your largest meal. The tangy taste might take some getting used to, but the benefits could be worth it. Our fourth drink is a classic that's often overlooked: plain water. Hydration is essential for everyone, but especially for those managing diabetes. When blood sugar levels are high, your body tries to flush out the excess through urine, which can lead to dehydration. By drinking plenty of water throughout the day, you help your kidneys do their job more effectively and keep your blood sugar levels more stable. Some experts recommend aiming for at least 8 glasses a day, but your needs may vary. Remember, even mild dehydration can make it harder for your body to regulate blood sugar, so never underestimate the power of a simple glass of water. The fifth and final drink is a vibrant, nutrient-packed option: bitter melon juice. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, bitter melon contains compounds that act similarly to insulin, helping your body move sugar from the bloodstream into your cells. Recent clinical studies have begun supporting these traditional beliefs, showing that bitter melon juice can significantly reduce fasting and post-meal blood glucose levels. While the taste is, as the name suggests, quite bitter, many people have found that the potential benefits are worth acquiring the taste. But what do the experts say about these natural drinks and their role in managing diabetes. Dr. Michael Anderson, a leading endocrinologist, explains, "We are seeing increasing evidence that certain natural compounds found in foods and drinks can have a meaningful effect on blood sugar control. Green tea, for example, contains catechins that may help improve insulin sensitivity, while vinegar can slow the absorption of carbohydrates." Nutritionist Sarah Lee echoes this sentiment, adding, "Cinnamon has been shown in several studies to lower fasting blood sugar levels. It's a simple, affordable way for people to support their health alongside standard medical care. And according to herbalist Dr. Priya Singh, bitter melon is a staple in many traditional medicine systems for a reason. The compounds in bitter melon actually mimic some of the effects of insulin in the body. But here's something most people don't know. Combining these drinks with a balanced, healthy diet and regular physical activity can multiply their effects. It's not about one magic solution. It's about creating a lifestyle where every choice supports your body's natural ability to regulate blood sugar. And while these drinks are powerful, it's always important to consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your routine, especially if you're taking medication for diabetes. Now here's a curiosity trigger for you. Did you know that one of these drinks has been used in royal courts for centuries to promote longevity and vitality? Or that another is currently the subject of cutting-edge research, with scientists investigating its potential to actually regenerate insulin-producing cells? The world of natural remedies is full of surprises, and the more we learn, the more fascinating it becomes. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Managing diabetes doesn't have to be a daily struggle filled with restrictions and sacrifices. By harnessing the power of these 5 natural drinks, green tea, cinnamon water, apple cider vinegar, plain water, and bitter melon juice, you can take meaningful steps toward better blood sugar control and a healthier, more vibrant life. Each of these drinks brings unique benefits, from reducing inflammation and enhancing insulin sensitivity to flushing out excess sugar and supporting your body's natural processes. Imagine starting your day with a steaming cup of green tea, followed by refreshing sips of cinnamon water as you go about your morning. Midday, you take a moment to enjoy a glass of apple cider vinegar water before lunch, helping your body manage the influx of carbohydrates. Throughout the day, you keep a bottle of water close at hand, staying hydrated and supporting your kidneys. And perhaps a few times a week, you brave the bold taste of bitter melon juice, knowing that you're giving your body a powerful tool for blood sugar control. The road to better health is made up of small, daily choices. Each sip you take can be a step toward greater energy, fewer complications, and a brighter future. These aren't just folk remedies or passing trends. They're time-tested practices now gaining the backing of modern science. And as research continues, we may discover even more ways to use the power of nature to support our well-being. So, the next time you open your kitchen cupboard, remember, the key to better blood sugar might be right there, waiting for you to pour a glass. Which of these 5 drinks will you try first? The answer could change your life in ways you never expected.